In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook name. This is a pretty new update. If this video helps you, please consider to subscribe and give this video a like. On your Facebook app, navigate to the top right corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. Proceed to scroll down until you locate settings and privacy and tap on it. A drop-up menu will appear. Continue to tap on settings. This will land you on an interface like this. You have to proceed to tap on Meta Account Center. With this selected, continue to tap on profile. Then make sure to select the account that you want to change the name. In this case, I'm going to tap on Mubarick Mohammed. So this will drop you onto an interface like this. In order to change your name, continue to tap on name. So you have the option to change your first name and even add middle name or your surname. But please note, if you change your name, you can't change it again for 60 days. After you are satisfied with all this, you can then proceed to tap on review changes. And that is it. You have successfully changed your Facebook name. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.